In this video, we'll cover replacing the safety strap in the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen wrench hex key. The safety strap is mounted in two locations. The lower strap is mounted to the fiberglass, while the upper buckle is mounted to the ceiling panel. Using your Allen wrench hex key, remove the 4 screws securing the strap to the fiberglass. Then remove the 4 screws securing the strap to the ceiling panel. Starting on the bottom, ensure the strap bracket is oriented correctly, and then install the 4 screws using the 2.5mm Allen wrench hex key. Repeat this process for the ceiling mounted upper buckle, using 4 screws to secure it to the ceiling panel. This completes the safety strap replacement procedure for the Lippert pop-up roof system.